Hey, it's Jawara. I'm here to go over a coding refactor that I did recently over the holiday break. I was able to go back and revisit a project that I did for my capstone at my bootcamp. And what it is, it's a music player app that allows you to go through and, based on an algorithm that I created, play music based on the mood or the time of day. You can save playlists, do all the full CRUD functions that you would normally do. Something that's been bothering me about this app for a long time is the fact that when I made it, I didn't really understand how some of the audio elements worked as well with HTML. And since then, I've learned a ton about that. And so I was able to go back and refactor this project to then play music from a playlist that you can choose from, and that will automatically play and skip back to the first index of the playlist. I want to give you a quick breakdown of what's happening in this video so you can see for yourself how you can add this to your own project. So the first thing that I did is you have to set up some hooks. I needed to add an audio ref. I needed to add some state to handle the songs as they came in. And what I'm doing is I'm using a useEffect to then take the songs and then spread them into an array so that they can be tracked and then sliced off to only display the first 4. After that, I'm going through and I'm mapping through those songs and then laying them out in a playlist. So another interesting thing that I have going on is then I'm using the audio ref to then check and see when the song is done playing. So whether it needs to autoplay to the next song, if it needs to go previous or next. There's something interesting going on with part of the code, and that is taking a function with a callback inside of it that's using, thanks to my lovely teacher who taught me this, prev index as the argument here, to go in and then look at the songs array, and it's able to then decide, is that index of the song that you're on currently, is it going to be the first, the last, or something else? And so based on that logic, I'm using a ternary condition to then check and see, is this song at the end or somewhere else? And if it is at the end, then it needs to go back to index 0. If it's not at the end, then you need to increase the index by 1 and play the next song on the song array. It's pretty simple, but it's something that, like I said, drove me crazy for a long time trying to figure out. And I'm glad I was able to do that over the break. And so I wanted to share this with you, and I'll be sharing more videos like this throughout the year.